How to appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're online. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your WhatsApp. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you've done that, what you can do is you can head over to the settings on the bottom right corner. After you're on your settings, what you can then do is scroll down and locate privacy. After you find privacy, open that up. Now, right here, what you can see is an option that says last seen online. Tap on that and select nobody. After you've done that, also who can see when I'm online, select that as same as last seen. So that means that nobody can see when you're online and also no one can see when you were last online. After that, you can just head below and you can also change your other options if you'd like, such as your profile picture and links, groups, and others. And yeah, that's basically how you can appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're online. You have basically turned off your activity status. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.